Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Sai. In this video, we'll discuss what happened in Nifty 50 and what happened in Bank Nifty, and we'll discuss what will happen for tomorrow's session also. So, if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, you can subscribe my channel here and you can click the bell icon. You will be receiving more market analysis from my side, and I will be discussing some stocks which will be helpful for intraday and swing trading also. Hope you watched my video till the end, will be useful for intraday and swing trading also. So now we'll see what happened in Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. But we'll go with Nifty 50. Nifty 50, it's like you can see in 50 minutes time frame. I am saying here itself the market it's down below the 200 EMA line, shows full selling pressure till now. So market has sustained here today. So we might take until unless market is coming below this level. Unless the market is coming below this level, we cannot plan for selling. If the market is gaining some buying pressure, we have to see whether it is breaking this 200 EMA line and giving closing above this one in 15 minutes time frame. Then you can plan for buying. Until unless you can not plan for buying, have to wait for selling. When you get the option of getting here, whether tomorrow itself the market taking some gap up, it's straight away breaking this line and giving closing below this, you will be entering in the next candle. Okay, the selling pressure is showing till now, and you can go with this 1 day time frame. 1 day time frame also, 1 day time frame also, the line itself shows the full selling pressure is there and the market still below this candle. So market itself shows full selling pressure. The market just passed right now. It might take 1 day or like tomorrow itself the market might uptrend like this and again it will fall down. Itself we call this is as some pullback to go immediately down. Okay, itself you can go with 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes, until unless the market is coming below this level you cannot plan for selling. This for Nifty 50, and we'll see what happens in Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank itself also shows the market is below the downtrend of this 200 EMA line, and itself shows the gap is itself filled here. Okay, just filled and market went upside. Okay, today market gap is filled and the market is in the range market till now. So until unless market tomorrow itself if the market is giving some gap down or else market taking some flat market or gap up, until unless the market is closing below this one, until unless the market is closing below this one, you cannot plan for selling. So this is the strong level. If you get, you cannot if it is breaking this line in 15 minutes time frame, you can plan this is the gap we will be beating and this is the line another target will, after that you will be gaining target up to here. So you have to wait for 1 or 2 days until unless the market is breaking this strong line. After breaking this you will be gaining entry here and your target will be up to here, because itself the market is trended here, full gap is there. So we cannot plan for any for upside or upside only. You can go for straight away. When the market is coming downside you can go for selling. Okay, and we'll see some stocks which will be helpful for intraday. Look, not by intraday, it will be helpful for you in the swing trading also, and we'll see what in the swing trading. I already myself taken some stocks which will be helpful for intraday also. See what will happen. On the 1 day time frame we are seeing this Kotak Mahindra is touched this 200 EMA line. Today itself the closing happened below, some rejection happened. So for tomorrow where the market is straight away open and breaking this week, you can plan for selling. And until unless the market is trying to go this one, you can go up to here, you can plan for selling. Okay, you will be taking here the entry after breaking this wick and you will be enter here, your target will be up to here. Okay, your entry will be around 18 13. Okay, after that the your plan up to here 16 18 and you will be plan, you can plan for selling. It is wonderful for swing traders also, till unless the market is breaking this line this week, you can plan for selling. Okay, and we'll see what happens in Axis Bank itself. Axis Bank shows some buying pressure is coming, buying straight away it is coming with some pullbacks and is coming upside. the market changed its course from downside to upside. So whether it is a wonderful one, like you could be having some uptrend only here. So rejection like touched this 200 EMA. We cannot say market taken some pullback this much. Whether you will be planning the market straight away coming upside, upside, upside. It is coming upside only. The trend shows the upside. So if you see any candle above this one, you can plan for uptrend, and it is best for swing tradings also. Okay, well, hope you watch this stock Axis Bank clearly, because if you see any candle above this 200 EMA, it is more helpful. And we'll see TVS motor sector, TVS motor. You know, until already we planned, this is the strong support level. We planned the market itself show the broke this much level. So itself the candle, this is the level we will be taking as some, or this is a support level. Okay, this is support level we are planning. The market has showing some still selling pressure. So until unless the market is touching this 200 ml, this is the target for one target. After tomorrow itself, market breaking this line, you can plan for buy selling, and your target will be first target this level and second target this 200 EMA line for TV. And we'll go with Tata Power. Tata Power is still in the range market only until unless the market itself shows range market. So until unless the market is breaking this level, if the market is breaking this level and giving some powerful candles like this in selling side, so at that time you can plan for selling from below up to here 100 EMN, or else you will be planning for 170 or 180 round figure values, and you can plan up to there. Until unless the market is taking this one, you cannot plan for selling. Okay, if you see any candle in 1 day time frame, then you can plan for selling. Go with Power Grid. This is the stock today itself. Market gave this much bullish trend here, 7 rupees. It went upside. Market is right away showing some selling pressure sideways. The market taken here sideways and market taken upside. So tomorrow itself the market is breaking this level, means you can go for buy. So you have to see whether tomorrow itself whether market is breaking this 216 value. 216 value, whether it is breaking this level tomorrow itself, you can plan for buying option for this one. So you can see another bullish candle from here, you can plan for another bullish candle. Okay, and we'll go over TCS. This is a stock. Market already we know this is the resistance, this is support level already planned in previous videos. If you have seen my videos, will be knowing me as placing this resistance line and placing this support line. So market has broke this level, and again market is sustaining there as this is support level. Okay, market is trying until unless you can see a powerful candle breaking this level as 3654. So this is the value. So after this, you can say after breaking this, closing above this price, you can go for buying. So already you know the gap is there. So if it is, this is the from here, you can plan up to here. This is the one target, and you can plan above the high all-time highs also for second target. Okay, for TCS. And Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra itself shows the market is still already we placed here the resistance level. Market touching there and coming back, and touching there, coming back. It still shows some. It's like a ascending triangle, which I will be telling you now what is meant by ascending triangle. So this is the one shows one, and I should draw like this. So until unless market is now it is broken, or we thought like market might break downside. So it is a ascending triangle. So market broke this resistance level and taken some doji candle. You see market closing above tomorrow, like opening itself, market opening this level, you can go for upside buying only in Tech Mahindra. Or else if you can see any market here itself red candle, you can plan for selling. If you breaking this trend line, you can plan for selling. You will be targeting getting here around this level 1372. This is your target. If you going with selling after breaking this trend line, this is our the all-time high is going up. So market itself goes upside. So if you see any candle breaking this week around here, so you can plan for buy. So that's all. You can go with today. For tomorrow itself we will be planning in the Nifty 50. We will be planning until unless the market is closing below this. We cannot plan for selling. So for buying you can have to see up to how much it will be going. You cannot suggest for buying. This is the level we will be thinking. So we cannot suggest for buying because the market shows still there is a selling pressure left. So and we know that the gap ups are happened. So already the gap is clearing till now slowly. So market will slowly it will come down. So we have to wait whether how much time it will take to break this line. After if you see any 15 minutes candle breaking this line in red color, you can go for selling off. Same for Nifty 50, you have to wait for this candle. Itself today the market is in range market. Tomorrow it might break this level because itself it is downtrend happened, some pullback. So market might break this level and it will come again up to this 1600. We will at that time we will be planning for 16,000, and I will tell you how you have to plan for 16,000 when you are intraday trader, or else you will be planning for swing trading. I will be telling you in this video. So, okay. If you haven't subscribed my channel till now, can you subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. You will be receiving more videos from my side, market analysis, and I will tell you some of the stocks which will be helpful for intraday and swing trading also. And we'll discuss. Meanwhile, I will be sharing you my educational videos also. We will be discussing more about educational videos, how the price action will happen, how the RSI indicators will happen, how the indicators will perform, whether the market is moving upside or downside. So we will be seeing in most of the videos. Okay, thank you. Haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe my channel.